Okay, you can see these. I've got the microfibre cloths on these T-bars, and I'll just show you how I've folded it. Firstly, for the smaller one, you can see it's an old microfibre towel. So I fold it over like this, flip it over, and it goes on your T-bar. This is a small cut down T-bar I made. I found the smaller one goes, and I tie it on with a small cable tie, zip tie. So I'll just show you to put on a bigger one. This is actually about a 12-inch one, and same thing, you get the microfibre towel, flop it over, put it over T-bar and tie it with the zip ties like I've done here. And I hope this helps anyone that likes to know how it's done. Well, I suppose that's about it.